Hi there, it's Jessie. I'm so glad you found this video because that indicates to me that you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils and natural ways that you can do things from the comfort of your home, DIY style, empower yourself, empower your family, and do things in the most natural way possible. It's great. It's so empowering. I know I already said empowering, but I'm telling you, since essential oils have entered into my life, which is, geez Louise, 12-ish years now I've been using essential oils, doTERRA specifically, I have felt so empowered time after time after time about how I am empowered as a mom, as a wife, as a woman, as a friend, all the things, just having these oils at my fingertips because they can do a lot. And so that's what this channel is about, was to teach you how easy it is to use doTERRA essential oils in your everyday life. I've got DIY, all kinds of fun things. So go subscribe to my channel, pretty please, if you haven't. But in this video, I want to teach you how to make a skin serum. I call this the Ohana Tribe Skin Serum. The team that I lead in doTERRA, we call ourselves Ohana Tribe, which means family. If you aren't a part of an essential oil team yet and would like to join, you can join. I would love it. My contact info is in the show notes. They want to teach you how to make a skin serum. It's so easy. I love skin serums. My skin loves skin serums. So we are going to make the Ohana Tribe Skin Serum in this video. So what you need is a dropper bottle. So bottle, dropper bottle. I'm actually refilling my grandma's. My 94-year-old grandma is visiting us, and this is her skin serum that she uses. I've gotten her hooked on essential oils. She uses them just faithfully. At the end of this video, I'm gonna have one pop up where I did an interview with my grandma about 6 years ago, where she talks about an essential oil called Balance that helps her literally balance and be steady on her feet, and she's doing great, and she's 94, guys. So we're gonna refill my grandma's Ohana Tribe Skin Serum. So with this dropper bottle, the first thing you need to do, you need to have a carrier oil as your base. The one that I prefer and I love for my face, and same as my grandma, is jojoba oil. So I have already filled, just for time's sake, I've already filled my jojoba oil right about to here. Then we're gonna add the essential oils. And then if I have any more room, then I might add a few more drops of the jojoba oil, but I don't wanna overfill because that's a really sad thing when it overfills. So then the two oils you need besides your carrier oil. Oh, and the brand of jojoba oil that I really like is Cliganic. It's an organic jojoba oil. doTERRA doesn't sell jojoba oil, otherwise I would say use doTERRA's. But that's a brand that I like. You're gonna use Yarrow Palm and Immortelle. So Yarrow Palm comes in a dropper bottle from doTERRA, which we're gonna add 50 drops of the Yarrow Palm into the serum. And then I have a blend called Immortelle. And I feel like there should be just like angels singing right now, Immortelle. It's awesome. So this is one, it's just, if you look at the oils that are in this blend, it's powerhouse oils. This is the anti-aging blend. It comes as a roller ball, undiluted from doTERRA. But what I do is I have a dropper bottle that I screw onto the top of it because this is undiluted. I have more sensitive skin, or thinking of my grandma who's 94. She doesn't, like, we don't need to do it undiluted. It's fantastically effective. Is that a word? Fantastically effective, or a phrase, when you dilute it. So then we're gonna put 20 drops of the Immortelle, 50 of the Yarrow Palm, and that's it. And then you just have to use it. And I can't make you use it. You gotta make yourself use it. I can teach you how to do it, but you gotta use it, right? Here we go, 20 drops of Immortelle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I need one more. And I give you permission to play around with this. Maybe your skin likes it a little less diluted or a little more diluted. Okay, so I've got my 20 drops of the Immortelle, and then I'm gonna be very careful about screwing this lid on because that would be just so sad if this broke or if this spilled. So isn't that cute? I have that dropper bottle that goes on the roll, because it came as a roller ball from doTERRA, but I just popped that off. Now, Yarrow Palm, we're gonna do 50 drops of that one. Here we go. One, and it's blue, that's the schmazzling. Can you see the blue coming out? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is gonna take a minute, hold on. Fun fact about me, I used to be a high school math teacher, but doing things like counting like this, I can lose my train of thought really easy. And we're just gonna say about 50 went in. We're just gonna call it. Now, as I look at the level, it's still right about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more jojoba oil. There you go, it's done. So this is my Ohana Tribe Skin Serum. In the show notes, I have this recipe that I just shared with you. My information is there if you want to reach out and ask me some questions, or if you, like I said earlier, if you're not working with anyone yet in doTERRA and you're ready to buy some doTERRA essential oils, I would love to be your oil mentor. Reach out, info in the show notes. After this video, here in just a second, I am going to have a playlist pop up with some other skincare doTERRA tips that I have. I also have a link in there for a Better Than Botox class that I taught, where I just teach a lot of my skincare tips and tricks. And if you don't know me, you don't know like my skin history. Like my skin, I had adult cystic acne, and through doTERRA, there's supplements, there are oils, products, my skin has cleared up. And so now my job is I am working on the scarring. I'm 44 at time of recording, so I've got some lines and all the things. So I'm working on that now using essential oils and some other fun tools like gua sha, derma roller, red light wand, like some fun things. And I share more about that in my Better Than Botox class. So you're welcome to look at that and to get some more tips. And again, info's in the show notes. Please subscribe to my channel. That'd be so helpful. I would love it. And then please leave a comment also if you have questions or maybe other skin serum recipes that you enjoy using. If you haven't tried using skin serums on your face, you just might be surprised and blown away with how your skin loves using the skin serums. Have a great day. See you on the next video. Every Thursday, I release a new video.